Are you ready to capture your adventures like never before? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best action cameras that deliver stunning visuals, smooth stabilization, and durability to handle every adventure. Whether you're diving underwater, biking down a mountain trail, or vlogging your day, these cameras have you covered. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Ourlife MTR80 action camera. The Ourlife MTR80 action camera is designed to capture every adventure with clarity and stability. Featuring upgraded 6-axis EIS super anti-shake technology, it ensures smooth and steady footage whether you're cycling, vlogging, or recording high-energy sports moments. This advanced stabilization makes it easier to preserve crisp, detailed highlights without unwanted motion blur. Equipped with a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, the camera enhances perspective and immerses you in each frame, delivering dynamic visuals that bring your activities to life. For underwater explorers, the MTR80 comes with a protective case that makes it waterproof up to 30 meters, opening the door to capturing the beauty of the underwater world. The camera also includes a 4x digital zoom feature, allowing quick adjustments by simply tapping the screen to zoom in or out for flexible shooting. Its 2.0-inch HD touchscreen ensures intuitive control and effortless navigation, making operation clear and straightforward, even on the go. Beyond outdoor adventures, the Ourlife MTR80 also functions as a reliable car DVR. With a dedicated car mode, it supports 1080p 60 FPS recording and looping, providing a practical solution for in-vehicle video recording. Blending versatility with ease of use, the Ourlife MTR80 action camera is built to deliver stable performance across land, water, and road environments, making it a reliable companion for capturing moments in vivid detail. Coming in at number 4, the Sjcam CAM4 action camera. The Sjcam CAM4 action camera is built for creators and adventurers who want versatility, durability, and high-quality performance packed into a compact device. Featuring a dual-screen design, it combines a 2.33-inch touchscreen for seamless adjustments with a 1.3-inch front display that makes framing effortless. Whether capturing selfies, vlogs, or action shots, this setup ensures precision from every angle. Convenience is at the heart of its design, with a dedicated remote control that lets users capture photos or record videos without touching the camera. This feature makes it ideal for group shots, action sequences, or creative content where hands-free control enhances flexibility. The CAM4 also delivers impressive durability. It is waterproof up to 5 meters without a case, making it resistant to rain, splashes, or poolside fun. For deeper adventures, the included waterproof housing allows dives of up to 30 meters, perfect for underwater exploration and capturing clear aquatic moments. To ensure stability, the camera incorporates 6-axis gyro stabilization that reduces bumps and shakes for smoother footage. Whether biking down trails, skiing on mountains, or diving beneath the waves, the technology provides consistently steady visuals. Performance is equally strong in terms of resolution. The CAM4 records at 4K 30 FPS, 2K 60 FPS, and 180p 120 FPS, delivering crisp and detailed video suitable for everything from cinematic storytelling to high-speed action. This flexibility in recording options makes it an all-in-one tool for both casual users and professional creators. With its combination of innovation, durability, and clarity, the Sjcam CAM4 action camera offers a reliable way to document life's adventures, from everyday moments to extreme sports. At number 3, we have the Ourlife MTR40 action camera. The Ourlife MTR40 action camera is built for adventurers, creators, and anyone who wants to capture life's most exciting moments in stunning detail. With the ability to record in up to 5K at 30 frames per second, this compact yet powerful camera ensures every shot is rich in clarity and vibrant in color. Its high-definition optical glass lens and f2.8 large aperture deliver crisp visuals, while the versatile video resolution options from 5K to 720p at 120 FPS give you flexibility for every situation, whether you're shooting cinematic footage or fast-paced action scenes. One of the standout features of the MTR40 is its advanced 6-axis electronic image stabilization. This technology minimizes shake and motion blur, providing smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. It supports stabilization across multiple resolutions, including 4K at 60 FPS, making it ideal for high-speed sports, outdoor adventures, or simply capturing moments on the move. Designed for underwater exploration, the MTR40 comes with a durable, waterproof shell that allows shooting at depths of up to 30 meters. Its rugged build also ensures protection against drops, making it a reliable companion in extreme environments. The wide 170-degree field of view captures more of the scene in every frame, while the 5x digital zoom offers flexibility to get closer without compromising image quality. Compact, versatile, and packed with advanced imaging technology, the Ourlife MTR40 action camera is a powerful tool for documenting adventures above and below the surface. Next up at number 2 is the Cerastes V9 action camera. The Cerastes V9 action camera is designed to deliver smooth, high-quality recordings while capturing life's most extreme moments. With its upgraded anti-shake algorithm, it provides greater rotation correction to minimize jitter, ensuring stable and fluid footage even during intense sports activities. Equipped with a 6-glass HD lens and a 170-degree ultra-wide angle, the V9 captures expansive scenes with sharp detail and clarity. The precise glue bonding process enhances focusing accuracy, producing high-definition shots without blur. Its dual-color screen design, including a 1.4-inch selfie screen, makes framing shots and selfies effortless, giving creators more control over their recordings. Switching to the front screen is simple, just long press the shutdown key for a few seconds. This feature, combined with 4K wide-angle recording, ensures every memory is captured with vivid colors, sharper details, and enhanced light expression. The V9 is also engineered for durability, being fully waterproof and resistant to mud, snow, and seawater shock. Its robust build makes it a reliable companion for adventures across any terrain or condition. During the ongoing product upgrade, packaging may vary between Viren and Cerastes branding, but both represent genuine products from the same store. Apart from the logo adjustment, all features remain unchanged, ensuring consistent performance. With its blend of toughness, clarity, and advanced recording features, the Cerastes V9 is built to help you preserve your most thrilling moments with confidence. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sjcam SJ8 Pro action camera. The Sjcam SJ8 Pro action camera is designed for adventurers and creators who want to capture every detail of their journey with clarity and stability. Equipped with a 170-degree HD ultra-wide-angle lens, this camera ensures a broader field of view, adding depth and vibrancy to every frame. Whether you're recording landscapes, action shots, or underwater scenes, the wide perspective brings an immersive cinematic feel to your footage. Stability is at the core of the SJ8 Pro's performance. With its 6-axis gyro stabilization, the camera delivers smooth, shake-free videos even in dynamic or fast-paced environments. This feature works like a built-in gimbal, ensuring crisp, steady shots whether you're biking through rough trails, skiing down slopes, or capturing the excitement of a road trip. Adventure often takes you into unpredictable environments, and the SJ8 Pro is built to handle them. With its 30-meter waterproof capability, It allows you to dive into the ocean and record the beauty beneath the waves without worrying about extra housing. From snorkeling in shallow reefs to capturing underwater life at depth, this camera transforms aquatic adventures into lasting memories. Powering these features is a battery designed to keep up with extended sessions. Offering over 2 hours of battery life, the SJ8 Pro ensures you can record longer without constant recharging interruptions. This makes it an excellent choice for day-long explorations and long-form vlogging. The Sjcam SJ8 Pro combines wide-angle visuals, professional-grade stabilization, underwater readiness, and reliable battery performance into one compact device. It's a versatile companion that helps you preserve the excitement of every moment, whether on land, in motion, or under the sea.